Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the connection error on the OmeTV app. If OmeTV is showing a connection error or isn't connecting properly, try these simple methods. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi and then open OmeTV again. If your internet is working but OmeTV still shows a connection error, completely close the app and open it again. If the problem continues, go to your phone settings. Use the search bar and type apps, then open the app settings. Now search for OmeTV and tap on it. Go to storage or storage and cache, depending on your phone. Here, tap on clear cache. After clearing the cache, open OmeTV again and check if it connects properly. You can also try restarting your phone. This can sometimes fix temporary network or app issues. Another thing you can check is whether OmeTV has an update available in the Google Play Store. If an update is available, install it and then try using the app again. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting it and then reconnect to OmeTV. Sometimes network settings or VPN connections can affect the app's connection. So, if you're facing a connection error on OmeTV, try checking your internet, clearing the cache, restarting your phone, updating the app, and checking your network settings. That's it. I hope these methods help you fix the connection error on OmeTV. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.